Betty. I just wanted to thank you for going over to Neil's channel, No Legs, No Problem TV, and nominating me to win the gimbal. He has closed that part of the contest, and he's going to be making another video that has a poll in it, so you can go in and vote for the top 4 nominees. I will post the link below in the comments. It'll be a blue colored link. Just click on it and go on over and vote. Y'all know I could sure use it because I'm standing here right now holding my camera or my cell phone trying to make a video with a cat meowing at me. Hi, kitty. Hi. So, where was I? Completely forgot. Anyway, he has closed the nominations. He'll make a new video with a poll in it. So you can go in and vote for the top 4. There's a bug. You can go in and vote for the top 4, and hopefully my name will be on it. Yeah, the gimbal will be great. It'll stop all this rocking and making you guys sick to your stomach when I turn and whatnot. So thanks again so much for going over and putting my name in as a nomination. Super appreciate it, and I'll make you proud if I win it. Alright, gotta go get this uploaded. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your votes, and I really appreciate you watching my videos. The TrailManor is back, and I am just about ready to open it up, stock it up so I can take off next month. Hopefully with a new gimbal. Bye.